Hi everyone, this is Ann. Today I have many reviews of beauty products, and these would include makeup, skincare, hair care, and body care items. I have finished all of these items completely and wanted to share my thoughts on them, plus let you know if it's something that I would repurchase or not. I always find these types of videos very helpful because I think after someone's used a product completely, they have a pretty good idea of how it works and if it's worth repurchasing. This is not sponsored. I will go ahead and list and link all of the products that I show down beneath this video in the description box in case you want to do some price comparisons or read more about a certain product. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy my videos, and if you do, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. Starting out with makeup items, I finished one of my very favorite foundations. This is by NEUTROGENA, and it's their Healthy Skin Liquid Foundation. This gives a light to medium coverage. It does have SPF of 20 in it, and it has a natural finish to it. It's not too dewy, not too matte. I always repurchase this foundation, and I've been using this for many years. No matter what new foundation I try, I always go back to this one. This is the foundation I ended up wearing to my daughter's wedding this summer, and I love this foundation. It just gives such a nice natural look to your skin. I would highly recommend this. Next, I have two eyeliners from the drugstore, and these are eyeliners that I always repurchase. I use one on my lower lash line and one on my upper lash line, and the one I use on my lower lash line is by Maybelline. This is the Lasting Drama in Moonlight Purple, and this is a nice eyeliner to just define the lower lashes, but not so dark that it makes my eyes look real small or close them in. So I really love this one for my lower lash line. It is long wearing as well. And then my upper lash line, I always use the Physicians Formula Eye Booster 2-in-1 Lash Serum Plus Eyeliner. And it has a small brush, which looks like a little felt tip, but it's actually a brush, and I just keep this right along my upper lash line as close to my lashes as I can get it. And both of these are very long wearing. They last all day, and I always repurchase both of these. I have two more makeup items. Both of them are from L'Oreal, and one of them is a brow pencil definer. This one has the angled tip to it and then a spoolie on the other end. And I find that this pencil is very long wearing. It lasts all day. It's nice and creamy. It blends well, and it stays on well. And I just fill in any little sparse areas on my brows and then brush it in with the spoolie. I have already repurchased that, and I've also repurchased my very favorite mascara, which is the L'Oreal False Fiber Lash Mascara. I wear mine in black. I also like it in waterproof, and this does a great job at adding length and volume to my lashes. It has fibers built into it, and the fibers do not drop down or move. They just stay on your lashes and add the length and the volume to it. So these are both items that I always repurchase and would highly recommend. Moving on to some skincare products, I finished a product by Peter Thomas Roth. This is his Growth Factor Serum. I've been using this for many years. I have switched to different growth factors, and I do always come back to this one. I would say that this one is my all-time favorite growth factor product, and I like to use it at nighttime, just a little bit of it on my neck and my face. It's great to use after derma rolling as well to help stimulate new collagen and cell renewal. And this works well with other skincare products. So I like to apply this as my first product on, and then I apply other products on top of it at nighttime. I have repurchased this and would highly recommend this product. Another empty from Peter Thomas Roth is his Un-Wrinkle Night Cream. This has retinol, peptides, and glycolic acid, plus vitamin C and E. And it's kind of a good just all-over cream as far as containing a lot of great ingredients. And if you don't want to buy separate glycolics, vitamin A products, and also peptides, you could just get by with using this product, which has all of that in it. And I really love this cream. It's nice and gentle, it's non-irritating, and it helps to just kind of plump up your skin and make it look better and less wrinkled. I have already repurchased this. I tend to alternate my retinols, so I'll use one. Once I'm done with that one, I'll purchase a different one. And I do like to try retinols, retinaldehydes, and I have used retin-a before. My skin tends to be a little bit on the sensitive side, and retinols and retinaldehydes tend to be a little bit more gentle on the skin, so I tend to use those more often. Some of those are also very irritating, but this one is not irritating at all, and I love this product and have repurchased it. I have a product from Revision Skincare. This is their INTELLISHADE Matte. And this is a SPF of 45. It is broad spectrum, and then it has skincare ingredients in it as well. I like to use this as my SPF on my upper chest area, and it has a slight tint to it that matches your skin tone, so it just kind of evens your skin tone. And when I wear shirts that have a scoop neck or show my upper chest, I like to use this both for the sun protection and the fact that it has the tint to it, so it just evens my skin tone and makes it look better. I also like to use this on days when I have a no makeup look. If I'm not wanting to put on a full face of makeup, I will just use this, and it gives a very nice natural finish to the skin. I have already repurchased this, and this is considered a medical grade skincare product, so it is a little bit pricier. It does last a long time because a little bit goes a long way, and I really love the matte formulation. They also have an original formula, which I like, but I prefer the matte just because it's not drying on my skin, but it doesn't get shiny either. So I really like the matte one and have already repurchased this. A product new to my Empties is by PALMER'S, and this is their Coconut Sugar Facial Scrub. This is made with coconut sugar and with coconut oil, and it smells wonderful. It does a great job at exfoliating the skin and just polishing the skin and getting rid of any dead skin cells. I use this on my face, my neck, my upper chest, and the backs of my hands at least 3 times a week, and really like this product. Have already repurchased it. Another exfoliant that I've had in my Empties before and I always repurchase is by E.L.F. This is their Gentle Peeling Exfoliant. And this one, you apply it and you start rubbing your skin in circular motions, and it just kind of rolls the dead skin away. I like to use this in combination with a product by Drunk Elephant, which is a weekly chemical peel. I'll use my weekly chemical peel at nighttime, and then the next morning I follow it up with this E.L.F. product, and I think it does a great job at just removing dead skin cells. I did do a video on that combination of products, which I'll link underneath this video in case you want to see it, but I have already repurchased this, and this is one that I always repurchase. Next is a lip product, and this is by SKINN. It's their 6 times lip balm. This has 6 different plumping ingredients in it, and it is very moisturizing. I like to use this on my lips nightly, and I use it after I derma roll my lips, or even if I don't derma roll my lips, I always use this product. This one is in the sugar cookie scent. It has different scents to it, and usually I use the original, but because I use it so often, I bought a couple different scents and flavorings that they have. This one smells wonderful. It's like vanilla bean. And I didn't repurchase the vanilla because I couldn't find it, but I did repurchase one in mango, so I'll let you know how I like that one. I haven't opened it yet. But this is a great product for moisturizing your lips overnight as an overnight treatment, and it also does a great job at helping to plump your lips because it does have peptides in it, and that helps to build collagen within the lips. Moving on to some hair care products, I have a PRAVANA Perfect Blonde mask, and this is a deep conditioning mask. It is a deep purple color, so it is a toning mask, and I like to use this every once in a while, maybe once every 2 weeks, and it does a great job at toning the brassiness in my hair, and it also does a great job at conditioning my hair. So it adds a lot of hydration, which is good because my hair tends to be very dry. It is chemically treated, and this is a great product. I have already repurchased it, and if you have highlighted hair, especially blonde hair, and it tends to be on the dry side, I would highly recommend this product because it does a great job at both toning your hair and also adding moisture to your hair. Another deep conditioner that I have in my Empties is by KLORANE, which is a French company that does plant-based hair care products. I love this brand. I've been using them for many, many years and highly recommend this brand of products. This is my very favorite deep conditioner from them. It's the Hydrating Mango Butter Deep Conditioning Mask. It smells wonderful and it does a great job at adding moisture to my dry, damaged hair. I always repurchase this product. I have a hair styling product in my Empties by Not Your Mother's, and this is the Plump for Joy Dry Shampoo. This is a volumizing dry shampoo, and I do always repurchase this one. It's my very favorite. I like to use this specifically in my crown area to add volume to my crown, and I just spray a little bit at the roots and then I back comb. It does a great job at just adding texture and volume to that area that lasts all day. I have just a few body care items to review for you. One of them is my all-time favorite hand cream. This is by STRIVECTIN, and this is their volumizing hand treatment cream. This helps to add volume to the backs of your hands, which can be lost as we age. We tend to lose volume in the backs of our hands. This helps to add that volume and plump up your skin. It also helps to decrease sunspots or skin discoloration, and it helps to moisturize the skin. I use a little bit of this at nighttime before I go to bed, and then I keep one in my purse as well, and I add a little bit in the afternoon and in the morning just to keep my hands nice and plump and moisturized all day. I do always repurchase this and would highly recommend this product. Next is one of my very favorite fragrances. This is a unisex fragrance. It's by TOKYOMILK and it's bulletproof. It has kind of a vanilla tobacco scent to it, and it is a stronger scent. I tend to like a little bit stronger scents because they last all day on me then, and this smells so good. It has a very unique scent to it though, so it may not be for everyone, but if you like the vanilla tobacco type of scent, you'll probably love this one, and I have already repurchased it. I finished one of my very favorite body lotions. This is by EUCERIN, and it's their Daily Hydration with SPF of 15. This hydrates the skin really well all day. It is not greasy and it absorbs well. I apply mine every morning, and I love the fact that it has an SPF to it. My Empties wouldn't be complete if I didn't have a baby oil in it. I go through one of these a month and I keep it in the shower. I use this to shave with, and I also use it as an in-shower moisturizer. I just step out of the stream of water, apply it to my skin, briefly step into the stream of water just to rinse off a little bit of the oiliness, turn it off, and then I towel dry. And I've been shaving with this ever since I was a teenager. It gives a nice close shave and it also moisturizes the skin. So this is a product that I do always repurchase. Thanks for taking a trip through my trash can with me. If you've tried any of these products, please comment below and share your thoughts on them. Thank you so much for watching.